Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make traditional sangria. Start by chilling 1 bottle of dry red wine and slicing 2 oranges, 1 lemon, and 1 apple. Add 2 tablespoons sugar, 1/4 cup brandy, and a splash of orange liqueur, then stir until sugar dissolves. Add fruit and refrigerate for at least 2 hours so the flavors meld before serving over ice with a splash of soda. Choose a balanced wine and avoid overly sweet bottles to prevent cloying sangria. Use plain dry or fruity red like Tempranillo or Garnacha for structure. Let fruit macerate with sugar and liquor for at least 2 hours to release juices and deepen color. Taste and adjust sweetness with simple syrup or extra fruit, and finish with a splash of soda or tonic for brightness just before serving over ice. Garnish. Keep classic ratios of 1 bottle wine to 1 cup brandy or liqueur and 1/2 cup sugar as a starting point, then adjust to taste. For white sangria, swap with dry white wine and use stone fruit like peaches and nectarines. Serve chilled in a pitcher with lots of fruit and large ice cubes to avoid dilution, and offer a ladle so guests can get both fruit and liquid in each glass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.